Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about 5 futuristic agricultural heavy equipment machines that are the next level. Firstly, introduce the Cat HW300 Highwall Mining, the ultimate mining machines. The Cat HW300 Highwall Mining is here to rock your world with its powerful engines and jaw-dropping horsepower of over 2,500. This mining marvel is as fierce as a lion and as agile as a cheetah, ready to dig its way to greatness. Imagine a towering highwall challenging the bravest miners. But fear not, because the Cat HW300 is here to prove that size doesn't matter when you have horsepower on your side. With its mighty engine and impressive horsepower, this mining machine is unstoppable. As the Cat HW300 revs up its engines, the ground quakes in anticipation. The highwall stands no chance against this mighty force. With each swing of each mining arm, the machine tears through rock and soil, leaving a path of perfectly excavated earth in its wake. Equipped with over 3,500 horsepower, this mining beast is a force to be reckoned with. It digs deep into the earth with precision and speed, making other machines grin with envy. It's like watching a superhero unleash their powers, but instead of a cape, it had an impressive engine under its hood. So, whether you are mining for coal or unearthing precious minerals, the Cat HW300 Highwall Mining is your ultimate partner. The Cat HW300, where power meets mining mastery. This is the Sandvik DS411, with its bright lights illuminating the dusty corners. The Sandvik DS411 works like a disco ball, ready to bring some groove to the rock party. The moment it started drilling, the rock trembled in fear, wondering what kind of rock and roll madness was about to unfold. As the drill worked its magic, it hummed a catchy tune, making the basement feel like the hippies played in time. It was like a rock concert down there, with the drill as the lead singer and the rock as its enthusiastic audience. They couldn't resist tapping the rocky toes to the beat. The Sandvik DS411 shows no mercy to those stubborn rock. It spun and twisted, chipping away at the tough surfaces as if they were delicate cupcakes. The rock tried to put up a fight, but they was no match for the drill's unstoppable rhythm. As the basement's very own rock whispered, the Sandvik DS411 made sure every corner was rock solid and supported. It was like one drill construction crew, ensuring that no stone was left unturned or unsupported. So if you ever find yourself in the basement, surrounded by unruly rock and in need of a rock and roll hero, look no further than the Sandvik DS411 rock support drill. With its charm and undeniable talent, it will turn your basement into the coolest rock concert in town. Rock on! Next, introducing the Buddhaza D11, the ultimate earth-eating monster. Get ready to have your jaws drop and your mind blown by the incredible Buddhaza D11, a machine so massive and powerful that it makes King Kong look like a tiny gecko. With an engine that could rival a rocket ship and a jaws-dropping horsepower of over 12,000, this earth-eating monster is a force to be reckoned with. Imagine a world where mountains quake in fear and rivers reroute themselves when the Buddhaza D11 makes its entrance. This Garanton's excavator is not just a machine, it's a colossal beast that devours the earth like a buffet. With a rumble that could wake the dead and an engine that roars like 1,000 lions, the Buddhaza D11 comes to life. This mechanical titan starts its work, grappling up earth and rock with an appetite that could rival gorillas. It's like watching a skyscraper-sized dinosaur feasting on a prehistoric buffet. Equipped with over 12,000 horsepower, this machine is like a cheetah on steroids, racing through the land with lightning speed. It steers through mountains and scoops up the earth as if it were a mere spoonful of cereal. No terrain is too challenging for this powerhouse of excavation. So, whether you are digging a massive mine or creating the world's largest swimming pool, the Buddhaza D11 is your monstrous companion. With its pricing and an engine that generates over 12,000 horsepower, it will make the earth chamber in its wake. The Buddhaza D11, where power meets the colossal's appetite. Next, get ready for the rock-pushing extravagance brought to you by the legendary Buddhaza D11. With its rousing engines and jaw-dropping horsepower of over 900, this behemoth of a machine is about to give a massive rock a ride of its life. As the D11 rev up its engine, the ground trembles in anticipation. The rock, thinking it's immovable, hasn't met the like of this beast before. Little does it know, it's about to face the unstoppable force of the Buddhaza D11. As the Buddhaza pushes against the mammoth rock, it's like witnessing a battle between giants. The D11's engine roars and the horsepower surges through its veins, giving it the strength to move mountains, or in this case, rocks. The ground shakes and even the bird purrs mid-flight, amazed by the sheer force on display. Finally, with a triumphant push, the Buddhaza D11 conquers the massive rock. The crowd erupts into cheers, and even the other construction vehicles can't have but not in respect as a testament to the power and might of this legendary machine. So, the next time you encounter a seemingly immovable rock, just remember the epic showdown of the Buddhaza D11. With its determination and monstrous engine that generates over 900 horsepower, it will push through any obstacle and leave you in awe. The Buddhaza D11, the rock, moving marvel you don't want to mess with. Next, introducing the Smoky Cat 815F soil compactor, the Earth's best felon friends. The Smoky Cat 815F soil compactor is here to make soil surrender like it's the most irresistible scratching post. With an engine that roars like a lion and mighty horsepower of over 200, this compacting machine is the cat meows when it comes to taming unruly soil. Imagine a field of wild soil acting like a bunch of unruly kittens. But fear not, because the Smoky Cat 815F is ready to show them who's boss. With a purring engine and an impressive horsepower, this compactor means business. As the Smoky Cat 815F starts its engine, the soil shakes in anticipation. It's like the sound of a can opener to a hungry kitty, irresistible. With each roll of its robust wheel, the compactor glides through the soil, leaving a trail of perfectly groomed ground behind. Equipped with over 200 horsepower, this machine is like a turbo truck kitty on a mission. It's compact and smooth out the soil with a precision that would make a cat land on its feet every time. It's like giving the earth a heavenly spa treatment, completing with soothing vibration and gentle pats. So, whether you are building the foundation for a skyscraper or preparing the perfect playground, the Smoky Cat 815 App Soil Compactor is your furry friend. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like. And if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.